Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app in Salesforce. First, understand the two main types, custom and connected. Custom apps are built directly within Salesforce to meet unique business requirements, while connected apps integrate external services. Begin by clearly defining your app's core purpose and identifying its intended users. This foundational step ensures your development efforts are focused and aligned with organizational goals, setting a strong direction for your project. Effective planning is crucial for a successful Salesforce app. Start by outlining your specific business requirements and user stories. Next, design your data model, deciding on custom objects, fields, and how they relate. Visualize the user interface and navigation paths to ensure an intuitive experience. Finally, establish robust security settings and access permissions, ensuring data integrity and user privacy from the outset. This detailed preparation saves significant time later. Now, let's build. Navigate to the App Manager within Salesforce Setup to create your new custom app. Provide essential details such as the app's name, a clear description, and any branding images. Then, add the necessary standard or custom objects to your app's navigation items, making them easily accessible. Crucially, configure user profiles and permission sets to control who can access and interact with your new application, ensuring proper security. Before launch, rigorous testing is essential. Thoroughly test all functionalities, including data entry, reports, and user interactions, to ensure everything works as expected. Gather valuable feedback from a small group of pilot users to identify any usability issues or improvements. Refine your app based on these insights. Once satisfied, deploy your app to the production environment, making it available for wider organizational use and benefiting many users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.